Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. Nice to meet you again. I hope you're all doing good. Good afternoon, Kiru. Good afternoon, Lasango. Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Milemo. I'm fine, good, Lavan. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Amadi. Subrata Paul, good afternoon. Axmed, good afternoon, Axmed. Peter, good afternoon. Abraham Bello, good afternoon. Yaya Kamara, good afternoon. Chinini, I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good. Oh, can you please let me know, Musavika, what was your request? I'm fine, good, Francis. Yes, Musavika, may I know your request? Can you make it pass? So I would have missed your message. Okay, 0.6, 9.6, 0.36. So 9 points. Yeah, that's fine. 0.12 can make the HCF of it. That's right, Lavan. Yes, Lavan. You got it, Musavika. Uh, or okay, I'll send you. No worries. Okay, shall we get into the class? Any doubts with yesterday's topic? Any doubts? Okay, can I give you the questions? Okay. So today's work is first identify with the questions, is it HCF or LCM? Okay. Are you ready? Can I share my screen? Okay. Let's say I'm sharing a screen of test. I hope you're able to see. 0.6, 0.96, and this. Okay, fine. Just a minute. 696, 36. So what would be the HCF of 10? Okay. Okay, fine. So what is the HCF of 0.6, 9.6, 0.36? I thought your option was with 0.12. Your answer will be HCF will be 6. That is 0.6 would be the HCF. Okay, 0.6 will be the HCF. So multiply it into 10, find the HCF. Then after finding the HCF, divide it by 10. That's all. Are you clear with that? 0.6 is the right answer. Okay, I thought that was not there in the option. If that is there in the option, yes, that is the answer. Decimal values, multiply it into 10, remove the decimal values, find the HCF. After you find the HCF, again divide it by 10. Did you get that? See, 6, 9.6, 3.6. This is the number. Multiplying it into 10. So that is 0.6 will become 6, 9.6 will become 96, 3.6 will become 36. The HCF of them is 6. I have multiplied here into 10 to make it as 6 and 96 and 36. So once I do that, now 6 is the number. I'm dividing it by 10 because I've already multiplied it into 10. So my answer is 0.6. That would be the HCF. Are you clear with that? Lavan, clear with that? Okay, it is 0.36. Okay. So then what I do is 0.6. 9.6 is correct. Okay, and 0.36. Then I'm going to multiply it into 100. That's all. Into 10, 6. Okay, into 100, 60. Into 10, 96. Into 100, 960. Okay, into 100, 36. So what is the HCF of them? It is divisible by 12. This is also divisible by 12. This is also divisible by 12. Right? So I get 12. Now I have multiplied it into 100 to make it 60, 96 and 36. So I'm dividing it by 100. In this case, the answer is 0.12. When you say the decimal value is 3.6, yes, divide by 100. If you say your decimal value was 0.6, 9.6, and 3.6, in that case, I can get, yeah, see, this decimal value changes. 0.36 means I'm multiplying it into 100. 3.6 means I'm multiplying it into 10. They both have a huge difference. Are you getting that? If I say into 10, the smallest number itself is 6. In that case, the HCF is 0.6. Okay. When it is 0.36, that means 60, 960, and 36. 6 is also a common factor, but 12 is the highest common factor. Yes, Laban, it's correct. Understood, right? It is based on the decimal point change. If I'm multiplying it into 100, then that is 0.12. If I'm multiplying into 10 and my value is 3.6, then my answer is 0.6. Can you make the difference between them? Not needed. See, calculation is not needed. Just knowing the tables, it will work. 60, 900, 60, 36. I'll tell you the shortcut. Okay, this is 6. That means these both are ending with zeros and this number doesn't end with 0. So that's the reason I'm checking with 12 times table. Yes, it's divisible by 12, 12, 12. Are they both divisible by 36? Not possible. So I can try even 24, but 36 will not be divisible by 24. The easiest and closest number is 12. That's great, Milemo. So in this case, it is 6, 96, 360. Everything are divisible by 6, and this is the smallest number. Then 0.6 is the answer. Got it, right? Yes. If you master the divisibility rule, I'll tell you these things are very easy. 9.6? Not at all. See, I have 60. Let's try. I have 60, 960, 36. Can I divide 36 by 96? I will get it in decimal. That's why I removed the decimal. So 0.12. Musafika, not to confuse. Okay, 60, 960, 36. What is the HCF? 12 is the HCF. Then I'm dividing it by 100, so 0.12. From 60, I cannot get 96. Got it, Musafika? Clear with that, Musafika? It's 0.12. 96 not possible at all. Clear with that, right? Okay. Can I clear the frame which I have written? Can I clear it? Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start? Here is your first question. Yes, it's HCF, it's correct. Now find the answer. Axmed, Axmed, yesterday's first question, the same model. You don't have any difference. Yesterday's first question, what was it? This is the same. You have two different cookies. You have to put it into the container. You are distributing it. Is it HCF or LCM? Greatest common factor or least common multiple? Which one? I have to distribute everyone equally. Lasango, no. Lasango, they are distributing. Axmith and Lasango. Yes, Vivian. Greatest common divisor or greatest common factor? Both are same. Lasango and Axmith. Any doubts? It's GCF. That means greatest common factor. That's what we call highest common factor. 240? No. What is the factor of 30 and 48? What is the factor of 30 and 48? 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48. So in a container, there will be 5 oatmeal cookies, and next is 8 choco chip cookies. First container. Second container, like this, I'll have 6 containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers would be there. First cookies, oatmeal will be 5, 5, 5, 5. And next, choco chip will be 8, 8, 8, 8. It's equally distributed. So how many boxes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Done. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Done. So total 6 containers needed. That is why it is GCF. 6 containers needed. Are you clear with that? Is that clear? Shall we go with the next one? Very good. 12, 18, 24, 36. Again, another 12, 36. So the heights are same. 12, 12, 12. And this is 18, 18. Got it? Yes. 18 times 2 is 36. They can stack up to 36. And this also 12 inches into 3 is 36. So LCM. Can I mark it? I hope the next one is clear. Yes. Beginning at 8:30 a.m., tour of a national capital and whitewash begin at a tour agency. Tours for the national capital leaves every 15 minutes. Tours for the whitewash leaves for every 20 minutes. How often do these tours leave at the same time? They started at 8:30. 8:30 they started. 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes, another 20 minutes mean it's 1 hour. That means 60 minutes would have happened. After 40 minutes, another 15 minutes, that is 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. So every 1 hour they could meet. Is this HCF or LCF? Shall we mark it? Any doubts? Anyone have doubts? Let me know. I'll explain or we'll go on with the next. So they will meet at 9:30 a.m. again. Every 1 hour they will meet. Any doubts? Any doubts? Shall I mark the answer? The next question is here. At the end of all the questions, again, we will come across all the questions as a review. Then again, we will do with Danny. No worries. All the questions are only this question, Annie. Annie, only this question or everything? Okay. Keisha is putting together bags of supplies. He wants an equal number of craft sticks and an equal number of glue bottles in each bag. There are no supplies left over. What is the greatest number of bag supplies that Keshav can make? Bags of supplies. Okay, I got it. Any? Okay, let us get over again. We'll come back to those questions. This is a container where we are bringing bags of supplies over here. One, two different kind of bags of supplies. She puts an equal number of craft sticks with an equal number of glue bottles in each bag. So one bag will have craft sticks and glue bottle. There is no supplies left over. That means, let's say there are three supplies, all the three are being used. What is the greatest number of bags of supplies that Kesha can make? So it's up to your turn. Yes, GCF. That means I'm distributing. Okay. Two neon lights are turned on at the same time. One blinks every 4 seconds and the other blinks every 6 seconds. How often do they blink? On every 20 or no, 12 seconds. On every 12 seconds they blink. So it's HCF or LC. Yes, it's LCM. Forty-eight girls, 64 boys. Fixed. The table below shows that number of students in the school choir. The teacher plans to arrange the students in equal row. Only girls or boys can be in each row. So eight rows of boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 rows of girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on the row wise, they're going to be 8 each. It comes only. I'll try whether we can go back. Okay. What was your doubt over here? Okay, yes, Vivian, you're done. Okay. So, greatest common factor or the highest common factor? Every visitor gets a gift bag. Some of the bags have items in them as shown in the table below. How often will bag contain all three items? Teacher, what happened? Either you type it as LCM or HCF, but this is different. LCF. Check it. We check on the LCM. At the display booth at the amusement park, every visitor gets a gift bag. Some of the bags have items in them as shown in the table. Item 1, hat. Item 2, shirt. Item 3, backpack. How often will this bag contain all three items? Every second visitor hat, every seventh visitor t-shirt, every 10th visitor backpack. That means LCM. Okay, this is LCM because second visitor hat. First visitor hat. Okay, then next fourth visitor hat. Sixth visitor hat. Eighth visitor hat. 10th visitor hat. Got it? And next, we take over here. Seventh visitor is t-shirt. It is 7. Next, 14th visitor Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, that's okay. That's fine. Okay. Can you see the question? Good. So hat is given on every second day. Let's say this is a scale for hat, and the next scale for t-shirt, the next scale for backpacks. Or we use yellow line for backpack. Okay. Now, let's say that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I'm taking the red marker itself. Hat given on the second day, hat given on the fourth day, sixth day, eighth day, 10th day, 12th day, 14th day, and it goes on. Let's talk about backpack. Backpack is given only on the 10th day and 20th day. This is for the backpack. Are you clear with that? Okay. Next, t-shirt is given on every seventh day. Seventh day will be over here. Every seventh day, that means 14th day, and that means after that means 21st day. Clear with that? That is for t-shirt, and this is for hat. So sometimes you might get two. Sometimes you might get two because you're going on that particular moment. Like this, they're asking when will they get everything? How often will a bag contain all three items? So is it HCF or LCM? Is it HCF or LCM? Yes, that's all. Got it right? Did you get that? Yes. So now let's say this is 21. Okay, like this when it goes, or like this when it goes, for sure on 70, I will have hat, t-shirt. On 70, I'll have t-shirt, and backpack, I'll have it on 70. All three, I will get it on 70. After that, 140. After that, 210, and it goes on. So the answer is 70 LCM. On 70th visitor, every 70th visitor will get all the three. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay. So shall I go with the LCM? Yes. Okay. Here's the next one. Mark sets the dinner table every 2 days and dries the dishes every 3 days. Mark sets the dinner table every 2 days and dries the dishes every 3 days. That's all very easy. On the day, would Mark first performs both chores on the same day? On what day would Mark first perform both chores on the same day? So it's very easy. Can you tell me when they will do the both? Dinner tables every second day and dries the wash dishes every third 3 days. Sixth day, yeah, that's all done. Lillian Catit, I have never seen your name and the first time I see you here. Are you first time to the class? Lillian, Lillian. Lillian, are you the first time to the class? May I know your doubt, Lillian? You have raised your hand. May I know your doubt? Lillian, may I know your doubt? Okay, okay. I'm showing you the next question now. Okay, Can we go on? This time I have not read the question. Whatever is your question, whatever is your answer, I'm going to click it. Can I confidently click it on GCF? You have got the answer also. I'm going to click it. Good. Excellent work. All done. Okay, now let's come up with your doubts. Any doubts of the questions? Please do let me know the questions. I will click on it. Here's the summary. Could you please make it faster and tell me which are your doubts and what are your questions? I think Lavan would have said no doubts. There is nothing called HCM. Highest common multiple you cannot find. It is so big. The multiples of 2 and 3 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. For to tell that itself takes time. And it is 480, 4,800. I can also call it as 6,000, 60,000, 600 million, trillion. It can go on. So I cannot go for highest common multiple. Did you get it, Vivian? So highest common multiple, no chance, but I can do with something else. Yes, infinity. Okay, any doubts with these questions, or shall we move on with the next one? Any doubts with these questions? Shall we move on with the next one? Okay, I'm stopping the screen. Somebody, Lillian had a doubt. Lillian, Annie, do you all have doubts now? Clear. Annie is clear. I'm happy. Lillian, are you clear? Lillian, Lillian, are you clear? Okay. I'm gonna give you the next one. So let's see how it goes. Are you ready? Yes, Annie, what was your question? Annie's question. Looking for your question, Annie. Could you please let me know what was your question, Annie? Annie, what was your question? I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. Okay. Yes, Annie, you can unmute yourself. Annie, I'm allowing you to unmute yourselves so the conversation can make you easier. Can you unmute yourself, Annie?
Hello.
Yes, Annie, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Annie. So let's say that, can you tell me how many books do you have at home? Can you say me how many books do you have at your home?
Yeah. 5 books.
Okay. What subjects?
There is English, mathematics.
Okay. Okay. Now, Annie, I would ask you that if 5 friends come and ask you books, how many books will you give them each?
Sorry?
If 5 friends come to your home and asking you give some books, so you have 5 books and 5 friends are coming, how many books will you give to each friend?
I guess I can give them one book each.
Yes, this is called HCF. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's say that you are collecting books. Okay? You're collecting
Yeah.
maths book, you're collecting science book. So your friends are donating you books. Now, when your friends are donating you books, at that time, when you're collecting books, you would keep receiving books frequently. Is that yes?
Yeah. You said when I'm
Let's
collecting books.
We are collecting books. Let's say you collect 2 maths books and 3 science books. Every day you collect 2 maths books, 3 science books. As you keep collecting every day, somewhere you want to reach the height as same, or let's say that the arrangement look should even. So you keep 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. At the same time, you collect science book and keep it as 3, 6, 9, 12. Got it? You're collecting books and arranging them to look even. Then that is called LCM, multiples.
Oh, all right. I understand now. Hmm.
Okay. Is that clear now? What is the difference
That's clear.
between LCM and E? Okay. Now let's
The
say
difference.
you are adding milk and water together in a can. You keep adding. You have milk, you have water. You are adding them together in a can. Is that HCF or LCM? You have milk can, you have water can, and you want to mix them together and you have to distribute it to your friends. Is that HCF or LCF? Let's say I give you 4 liters of water and 12 liters of milk. You want to mix them up. Is this HCF or LCF?
It's a HCF.
That's all. You understood the question. You understood the topic.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let's say
All right.
that you go to houses and you collect milk from your friends. Now you are collecting milk, let's say 2 days or 5 days, and in between you may collect water. So now you're collecting something. Is that HCF or LCM?
It's LCM.
Multiple of factor. You are collecting second day, third day, fifth day, 10th day. You keep collecting milk.
It's LCM.
You are understood with the topic, no worries. Got it, Danny?
Sorry?
Did you get with the topic now?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, that's all. See, it's very simple. You have something, you have to pack it and give it. Something you have for yourself as a limited count, you're giving to others, it's always HCF. Okay, something related to time, something you related to run, something you keep going on, something you keep forwarding, something you do it later, and then something you are increasing. That's all LCM.
All right. Thanks, sir. I'm very
Okay,
clear now.
okay, that's
Very
great.
clear.
That's great. That's great. Okay, anybody else? Any doubts? Anybody else? Any doubts? Thank you, Lavan. Okay, Zawan, Musabeka. Any doubts? Simon, all are clear? Jory, Lasano, Vivian, Axmed. Any doubts? Okay, great. Uh, I'm sharing my screen with some questions. Please do read it and give a start. Jocelyn, see, LCM is least, that means smallest common multiple. Okay, HCM means highest common multiple. There is nothing to be determined about it. In Jocelyn, can you hear me? Jocelyn, can you hear me? Yes, I'm allowing you to unmute for a minute. You can unmute yourself. Jocelyn, yes, Jocelyn. Jocelyn, you can unmute, yes. Okay, can you tell me some numbers which comes in 2 times and 3 times table. Tell me some numbers which comes in 2 times and 3 times tables. Tell me some numbers which comes in 2 times and 3 times tables. Two times one is two, 2 times two is four, 2 times three is six, goes on. 3 times one is three, 3 times two is six, goes on. So, Josine, can you tell me some numbers which comes in 2 times and 3 times tables? Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 50, 60, and it keeps going on. Okay, this is called multiple. This is called multiple. Okay, you have to check your network. I hope, Josine. This is called multiple. You can take up the video. I'm typing on the chat. Look for YouTube today's session. Okay, note down the time and check it on. Okay, now, yes, it keeps going on. In this, which is the smallest number? 2 times and 3 times table, the number which occurs, which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number, right? 6 is going to be the smallest number. That 6, which is the smallest number, is called as LCM, which occurs in 2 and 3 times tables. Least common multiple or the lowest common multiple. When you want to know what is HCM, highest common multiple, you cannot tell that number itself. I would say randomly, I would put these many zeros. I can put even more. Highest common multiple, I cannot say. 2 times, 1 lakh, 3 times, 3 lakh. I can keep going on. Okay, or in millions or trillions. I can keep multiplying and going on to find it. The highest common multiple is very big number. Are you clear with now, Josine? Okay. Now let's come back to the question. That's fine, Josine. Good. Melon was having a piece of train track that of 8 inches long, and he has to connect together to form a track. You're welcome. And the track that her train can travel on. Martin is also trying to construct a track for his train, but is using track pieces that are 20 inches long. How long will the shortest track be if the track that Melvin builds ends up being the same length as the Martin's track? He goes on 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. He goes on 20, 20, 40. That is it LCM or HCF for this question? This question is LCM or HCF. Yes, LCM. Track of 8, another 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. But Martin has 20 and 20. LCM. Okay, yes, 40 inches. Done. I hope everybody understood about LCM and HCF. All are clear. That's good. Peter has 18 oranges, 27 pears. He wants to make fruit baskets with the same number, each fruit in each basket. What is the greatest number of fruit baskets he can make? HCF or LCM? 18 oranges fixed, 27 pears fixed. HCF, yes. It's gonna be a HCF. Yeah. The tables of them are same. The tables of them are same. Okay, the multiplication times tables meet some way. That is multiple. The multiplication times table meets some way. Did you get that? The multiplication times table meets some way. Yes. So here 18 oranges, 27 pears, let's say 9 tables, 9 and 9, and 27 pears, 9, 9, 9. Okay, he wants to make each fruit basket the same number of fruits in each basket. What is the greatest number of fruit baskets he can make? So I have for 18 and 27, but one can be LCM. Let's say 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. This is the number of fruits present, and this would be the number of baskets. That's it. Okay, so Peter has 18 oranges, 27 pears. He wants to make fruit basket with the same number of each fruit in each basket. Okay, what is the greatest number of fruit basket he can make? I can make 3, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So they are broken up as 3 each, 3, 3, and this also as 3, 3. Okay, each 3, 3. I can break. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Again, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, another 3. So this is the way they want to split. Peter has 18 oranges, 27 pears. He wants to make fruit basket with the same number of each fruits in each basket. What is the greatest number fruit baskets he can make? Yes, one is of course always he can make. Okay, can he make 4 and 2? 9, they have not given in the option. In case, yes, we could have tried. So the one more option, I'm trying with 3. I'm trying. Yes. Yes, it works. So equally can be distributed since the option is given with the 3. Clear with that, right? Next question. Done? Okay. Here are bakes. I think already we have read the same type of question. Container has the same kind of each. So HCF, yes, 6. I'm gonna mark it. Anybody still doing, or shall we mark with the answers? Can I mark it? Yes. Done. Let's concentrate on the next question. Very easy question. If you're good in tables, yes. Virat Roka got it. Peter got it. LCM, yes. Abraham Bello got it. Axmith got it. I'm giving a minute of time for the others. I like your timing sense right now. You have got the answer within 10 seconds. That was great. Mungo Rakama, Jackson, your answers are right. That was great. I'm expecting more speed from you. I'm not sure to convert it as a PDF, but I can make you to take a screenshot at the end as one file. Rather than taking each question screenshot, at the end you can take all the questions together. Maybe like you might need to take then 4 questions, something together, you would be able to take screenshot. Is that okay, Axmith? I'll try my best for the PDF, but I'm not sure whether it is possible. There are 40 girls, 32 boys who wants to participate in the 6th grade intramurals. If each team must have the same number of girls and the same number of boys, what's the greatest number of teams that can be participated? That was great. Can I mark the answer? Intramurals participated. Can I mark it? Still doing? 8 is the greatest number. Highest common factor of 40 and 32. Yeah. Can I mark it? 1, 2, 3. All your answers are correct. No, it's 8 is correct. No worries. 8 is correct. Okay. 8 is correct. All your answers are correct. 8 is correct. No worries. At the movie theater, they give out a free drink to every 75th customer and a free bag of popcorn to every 30th customer. Who is the re who is the first customer is going to win both free items at the movie theater? Oh, in this quiz, I don't have back option, Vivian. I think you're able to see. I don't have back option over here. I will show you at the end. No worries. Okay, Vivian? '75th customer and 30th customer. Was good. It's correct. No worries. If the option shows wrong, no worries. Your answer is correct. 75, 150. That was right. Oh, that was nice to see. All your answers are right. Wow, that was good. Good all. No wrong answers. That was nice moment. There are 48 girls and 64 boys. The choir teacher plans to arrange the students in the equal row. Only girls or boys will be in each row. No mixing. No mixing of girls or boys in the same row. What is the greatest number of students that could be in the each row? 8 or 16? That you have to decide. 12? Not possible, Musabika. 64 doesn't come in the 12 times table. 64 doesn't come in the 12 times table. 2, 4, 6. No. 2, 4, 8, 16. Possible. Amari. Let's now then do with 48 is equals to 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. That means 6 times 8 is 48. 64. 64, that is 2 times 2 times 2. Again, in times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. Are you clear with that? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There are 4 2's are paired. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 16. So when your mind calculation goes wrong, please do calculate it. Nothing wrong. Because 48 and 64 both come in 16 times table. Yes, you want greater. 8 is also okay, but you want greater, bigger number. So that's the reason we're going with 16. Clear with that, right? Ready? You're saying that's great. I'm happy about it. I'm not sure. I hope your test is all online. For the university, yeah, I think you have a contact number. You can call to the concerned team. They would guide you how to take it up in the university. Okay, Hexman, I think you have a contact number. You can just WhatsApp or you can call directly to the concerned team. Lion and Martin are both building a toy train trap out of connecting pieces. Lion, oh, it's the same question. Oh, sure, that's my. Oh, I think it is repeated. Okay, Peter has 18 oranges, 27 pears. Baskets. This number of baskets he can make. Okay, now the options are different. The options are not same. So 1 second before you mark. Last time the option 9 was not there. This time you have the option 9. Got it, right? What is the HCF? 9 times 2 is equals to 18. 27. 9 times 3 equals to 27. Last time also the answer was 3, but we did not have it in the option. Right now we have it in the option. Are you clear with that? So the HCF is 9 only. Last time the option of 9 was not there, so went with a smaller number 3. This time there is no chance for that because it's given. The option is given. Nine. See, even though it shows wrong, no worries, 9 is correct. Okay? Yes, it's correct. Two clocks are turned on the same time. One clock chimes every 15 minutes, and the other clock chimes every 25 minutes. In how many minutes will they chime together? That means ringing or some noise or something, it makes chime. $25 and 15. 75 is the LCM. Oh, that was quick. Can I mark it? Can I mark it? Oh, yeah. This answer is 8 only. No doubts. Okay. The option might be wrong, but 8 is the right answer. 8, it shows wrong. No worries. 8 is the right answer. Okay. Fine. The same number of legs and thighs. Wow. The question, very traditional question. The chicken staff baked 96 chicken legs and 144 thighs. The staff had to prepare platters for an office lunch. If each platter will have the same number of legs and thighs, what is the greatest number of platters can they make? Obviously, this is a HCF. So I can see some answers with 42 and 42, 43. Please do check it. I think everything is 48. Okay. 48. Just for confirming, 96 48 times 2 is 96, right? And it's 144. 48 times 3, right? 3 is a 24, 4 3 is a 12, 13, 14. Yes, that was a brilliant work. Can I mark it? It's correct. No worries. It's correct. So how many legs would be there? There will be 2 legs and 3 thighs in a package. That's the meaning. Okay. 2 legs and 3 thighs in the package. 2 legs and 3 thighs. Okay. Let me check it, Lavan. You can log in after the class into the step up. You might be able to see the mock test. A radio station is giving away $100 bill to every 30 callers and movie tickets to every 40th caller. Which caller will be the first to win both prizes? Every 30th caller and movie ticket to every 40th caller. 120. Oh, I think I have to keep marking answer and move on because you're now good with the topic. Oh, same question. What is the greatest number of fruit baskets? Oh, that's 9. I'll just mark the answer and pass on. The question is repeated. That's the reason. Okay, this is a new question. One sign blinks every 9 seconds. The other sign blinks every 15 seconds. In how many seconds will they blink together again? Can you see the question? Okay. No worries, I'll share it again. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. Can I mark it? I'm not reading the question this time. Can I mark it? No. Maybe Laban. Okay. Lisa is making activity baskets to donate to charity. She has 12 coloring books and 36 crayons. What is the greatest number of baskets you can make if each type of toy is equally distributed among baskets? 8. Can I mark it? Can I mark it? I'm just still looking for the options. Yes, that's fine. Mark it. Oh no. 8. 8 is fine. It's correct. No worries. We'll check it again. Why it was wrong. Okay. Whatever answer you say, I would mark it. It's fine. Eighty-four. Is there any smaller number than that? No. Okay. Should I mark it? Oh yes. Option wise only one. Now mark it. Is there any other bigger number than 18? No. What's the answer? Reading still? 8 is the right answer. No worries. 8 is the right answer. Good idea, but let me think of it. What is the greatest number of arrangement that can be made if every balloon is issued? 4 and 16. 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. 8 is right. 8 is correct. It shows wrong, but still 8 is correct. Okay, 8 is correct. Okay. If you want the questions, let me know. You can take a snap of it or something you can try. Any questions, doubt? Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? You want a snap? Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm trying my best to make it as you want. Just give me a minute. Uh, okay. I think PDF did not work. I'm sharing it. If you want, you can take a snap. Is that okay? Please look at the question. Not able to convert it as PDF. So if you want, take a snap. Once done, let me know and scroll down. Click on the link and try it. I'm sending you the link as a one try. If it works, I'm happy. No. Okay, I'll do you another way. No worries. No worries. Okay, wait. I'll just give you. Okay, I'll just give you another link. Please do wait. Yes, I'm there. Just a minute. Okay. Click on this link. You would be able to do it. Got it? Same links. I've just given 3 times. The reason for you to click it very easily. If your chat is much more behind. All three are same links. Done? Okay. Shall we go with the next? We have 3 minutes more. That's fine. Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. I hope HCF LCM is clean and clear right now. And with the next class, we'll go on with the next topic. Admin's link, please do save it. Sandrine, please do save the admin's link. Please do save it. Click it, it will lead to your browser. Over there, you can save it. You can click on the link, it goes to the browser. Over there, you can bookmark it. Next class, I think we are lacking with 2 topics due to HCF. That is based on percentage, board mass. Okay, some more topics to do. Number puzzle, simplification, percentage. Okay, we have few more topics. Oh, you like it? Yes, admin's link. Click on the link. It will lead to your browser. There you can close it. Click on the link, it goes to the browser. On top, you can click, it will copy. You can save it anywhere now. Either you can send a WhatsApp message to yourself, or you can send it, you can save it in your notepad, or you can save the page itself. You can bookmark the page. Click on it, it takes to you into Safari or Opera or Edge or Chrome or any platform where it takes Bing or anything it takes. Over there, you can bookmark the page. Click on the forms of attendance. It takes you a page where you can save the link. Are you clear with that? Sure, Musabeka, I'm just making that for you. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Oh yeah, sure. I hope you all don't want me to see, then I can move away. You can click on any one at Smith. It's like a card, play card. It's one and two. You can click on any one. Click on any one card. Click on any one card. Okay? You have to click on either. Got it, Axmed? Okay. Done for the day. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Let's catch up with the next class. Hopefully the schedule is on next Tuesday, but I don't know whether we meet tomorrow. Okay, done. Okay, next is on Saturday. Saturday verbal class. Okay. Thank you very much, Amity. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. May God bless you all too. Thank you all. Sure. By the way, I'm not active in any of the social media.